Is it live now on YouTube? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. This is what I've been waiting for, guys. I'm also live on YouTube on the channel Luha Dev, if you haven't seen it yet. Okay, so now we can start. Well, this is my first live stream, and hopefully you're gonna like this content. Okay, so the thing we're gonna do right now is to decide and think about keeping the JSON file or downloading the data into the database. So I have my phone connected here. Hopefully there won't be any sensitive information that you guys are gonna see. I have this app here. Let me show it. Using screen. Okay. I have this app. It's called the Playlist. It's available in the Play Store if you guys want to see. You can find it here. The playlist. No, this is the dashboard. The playlist. Here it is. Here's the app. Feel free to download it. And this is the app that I want to you know, to improve and add features on. So the question now is, the feature that I'm implementing is this. This app has songs, repertoire, and playlists. And here we have this playlist has many songs. Okay, and when they're on the playlist, let's say that they are trucks, like this. And so I have all of these in the database, and the way that it works now is like this. I have this app. I can create a playlist, live playlist, let's say. I have it here now. There may be bugs here and there, but when the user gets here, then when they want to add a song to the playlist, they can write it from here, or they can check what's already inside the repertoire. But that's the only two choices. And once you add the song here, let's say new song, she what? Okay, education system. So now I have this song. And the thing is, if I want to add a song that's already out there, okay, so for the songs that are in English, I already have a lot of APIs for that, like lyrics API. If I just do this search, then I can just access music match developer API. And I don't know the limits, but I'm sure that there's a lot of them. Okay, but here's the thing. Apart from these APIs, like Music Match API, and other APIs. There are websites like Funkir Malagas, which I want to add here. So when you add a song, I can just add the song from this tab. If it's a song that's not famous, for example, if it's my own song, or the song from my band, so it's not anywhere online. If it's already something that I've written, it's added here like this, which is the one that we've added just a few seconds ago. But this website doesn't have an API. By the way, if someone who knows Tunkira or serasera.org see this video, please set up an API for this website. But meanwhile there's no API. Okay, so there is let's say lyrics database with no API. Okay, if it had an API with API, then I don't need this. I don't need to download the JSON or like do anything fancy on my end. If it has an API, I can just request songs through the API, and it's done. Okay, and this makes me think that maybe this is the feature that I should implement first. Okay, let's add a big one here, so that we can work on the second situation, because I'm from Madagascar and I sing Malagasy songs, and most of them are on this website. So for lyrics databases that don't have any API, what I will do is this. I will scrap the website into JSON. Okay. So now I have this. And at the same time, thinking about it makes me think that this can be like a lot of data. This can be too heavy. So let's ask ChatGPT for now, like a question for ChatGPT. Let's say I have lyrics data. In a JSON file. If I have, let's say, 10,000 songs in there, what would the size of the JSON be? Okay, depends on the size of the lyrics of each song. Additional data stored, yeah, per lyrics, 50 words per lyrics. That's all. So 10,000 songs is 100 megabytes. So That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. But the thing is, at the same time, let me show you this. I have this Bible offline, and I'm sure that it's a lot of text. I mean, where is it? I have this Bible of here it is. This one here. So this has a lot of different versions of the Bible, and so I have all of them, like the French version, Malagasy version, New International Version, Amplified version downloaded here. And I guess it can weigh some data, but I'm sure it's still manageable. But I guess that's another argument, like we're moving the data inside an SQLite database. Would moving the data be lighter or keeping and parsing the JSON file all the time? No, not all the time, but every time. It depends on the size of the data. In general, more efficient, of course. When working on large amount of structured data, I can provide faster read time compared to reading from a JSON file. True. So performance-wise, we have an advantage. With SQLite, you can index columns, yeah. Large amount of data. On the other hand, simple and lightweight format. That is easy to read and write, making it a good choice for small datasets. Okay, so a good choice for small datasets, and that's, I think, that's already it. Like, if we have a JSON, we need to parse it every single time. This easy query. I think I need to feel like this is bad. This is good. Okay, easy query. Has many songs. Okay. So if I download the JSON and I parse it every time, that will be quite. So this translates to performance. And this is okay. But here though, I need to parse it once and then create the database, and then okay. Can we decide it just with this? Lyrics databases. Okay, I think I can settle with just this. So I download the data and then I parse it. Okay, because the JSON file is like this database here. Then I I make it into a JSON, and then I parse it. Parse and insert into database. Good. And while we're here, why don't we design the table? Like, we have the title, we have the lyrics, but here's something that's not optimized at the same time is like, we won't be updating any single row of this database. So it's like a read-only thing here. That makes me even more interested that this is an advantage. Like, for example, because we also have a web version of this. So if we have a Prisma and we host an SQLite file, instead of downloading this, okay. That's another question. Why not host SQLite file read only? Okay. We'll take that into consideration later. Maybe after, and yeah. All we need to do is, for the moment at least, is really this one here. So if we have this, now we can, on every time we are searching the database, we can easily retrieve those two. But this is also important, I think, here. Because, yeah, because the user may filter based on the author. Okay. I think we've answered the question. And of course, ChatGPT did help a lot here. So, great decision. Looking forward to the implementation now. Wonderful.